Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Kintone Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From here, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which has resources like smart cues and videos that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To set up the application, start by copying your redirect URL and clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your developers portal in Kintone and click on the settings icon. Next on users and system. From there, click on OAuth and add OAuth. Give the OAuth a name. Okay. Fill in the client's name, paste your redirect URL and click save. Next, click on the edit icon. From there, copy the client ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client's secret, head to your account and paste it where required. Finally, copy your domain, head back to your account and paste it where required and click complete setup. And as you can see, the application has been installed and set up successfully. Up next is the support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. Finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated with any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.